Hey there, Chris Urso, National REIS. I want to share a couple of tips on deal analysis. Some key things to look out for. Just had a call with one of our students that's looking at a deal down in Texas, and he's actually on his second deal already. And we review the deal analysis with them when they're in the process of making an offer. We literally go through each line item on the analysis sheets that our students use with them to make sure that they're seeing all the opportunities and any potential pitfalls to help avoid those. And one thing that came up during our review in our coaching session was in regards to property taxes. A lot of newer investors out there, inexperienced investors, don't realize that on commercial property and even residential property, taxes change on an annual basis. And it varies county by county as to how those properties are assessed and when they're assessed. So this was a deal that he's in the process of purchasing that the owners had for over 20 years. So his basis might be really low in terms of what's recorded on the county level. And oftentimes brokers will not convey the property taxes based on the sale price. They'll convey the actual property taxes and leave it on the prospective investor or buyer to figure out on their own. And when you're talking about commercial properties and apartments, you could be talking about tens of thousands of dollars in terms of tax increases on an annual basis, which could absolutely kill your deal. Now, in turn, it can also represent a great opportunity. So if a seller has a property that's overassessed because maybe he bought it between 05, 06, and 07 and paid a really high price for it, and now you're able to buy it at a less value than he paid for it, you might have an opportunity to go back to the county assessor's office or the property tax assessor's office and get those property taxes reduced. We've done that on 3 deals that we've purchased in the last few years. We've gotten the taxes reduced anywhere sometimes from $7,000 a year upwards to over $16,000 a year. So there's significant savings out there, but also be cautious. Could really be a major pitfall that a lot of inexperienced investors make, is not understanding what their property taxes will be post-closing. So I look forward to sharing more tips with you. Thanks.